Hello everyone, my name is Shivam Kumar Jha, first year BPT student of Marwari University. In anatomy, my topic is lumbosacral plexus. So I am going to explain the topic lumbosacral plexus. So, understanding the network, the highway of nerves to the lower limb. What is the lumbosacral plexus? The lumbosacral plexus is a complex network of nerves that supply the lower back, pelvis, and the entire lower limb. Composition formed by the ventral rami of spinal nerves L2 to S4. Location situated deep in the abdominal and pelvis cavities. Connections: the lumbar L1 to L4 and sacral L4 to S5 plexus are joined by the lumbosacral trunk. The lumbar plexus L1 to L4. Located within psoas major muscles, it gives rise to several crucial nerves for the thigh and abdominal wall. Superior nerves, femoral nerves or obturator nerve. In superior nerve, iliophagogastric, ilioinguinal L1 supply lower abdominal muscles and groin skin. In femoral nerve, the largest branch L2 to L4 controls knee extension, quadriceps and hip flexions. Or obturator nerve, roots L2 to L4 supplies the adductor muscles, inner thigh and middle thigh skin. Major branches of lumbar plexus: nerves, roots or supply. So nerves, genitofemoral, root L1 L2 supply cremaster M or scrotum labia. Nerve, lat fem cutaneous, root L2 L3 or supply skin of outer thigh. Nerve, femoral nerve, root L2 to L4, quadriceps, sartorius or pectineus. Nerve obturator, root L2 to L4, adductors or brachialis. The sacral plexus formed on the posterior wall of the pelvic cavity, especially anterior to the piliform muscles. Origin: roots L4 to S4. Exist: most nerves exist via greater sciatic foramen. Gluteal nerve, superior L4 to S1 and inferior L5 to S5 supply the gluteus. Pudendal nerve S2 to S4 supplies the perineum and external genitalia. The sciatic nerve largest in the body. L4 to S3 spinal roots, dual compositions. The sciatic nerve is actually two nerves but bundled in one sheath. Tibial nerve or second common fibular nerve. So tibial nerve supply posterior thigh, hamstring and posterior leg, or common fibular nerve supplies anterior and lateral compartment of leg. It bifurcates into the two branches just above the popliteal fossa. Clinical correlations: sciatica, pain radiating along the sciatic nerve, often caused by a herniated disc compressing L4 to S1 roots. Foot drop, injury to the common fibular nerve result in inability to dorsiflex the foot. Femoral nerve injury leads to walk knee extension and bucking of the knee during walking. Thank you.